There is an increasing awareness in our societies that we cannot just take expertise and science for granted. We need to think more carefully to find ways of communicating and also understanding research. There is a lot of complexity, there is a lot of nuance hidden in the science policy interface.
So having a very open multi-actor approach, inviting others in, making situations where many actors can find the truth together. For me, that's where credibility comes into good advice, that it was actually made in a good, transparent, fair process with the right people.
It's important to have a very high ethical standard and to be aware that it actually matters what we do as researchers, as scientists, what we actually achieve in our studies, that it's important, and to disseminate our results in any kind of way.
Communication is really an issue now for just about anyone because the internet has created an overabundance of information, and one of the consequences is a very strong competition for attention.
In today's economy of attention, where everybody struggles to set the agenda, you need to be quite precise in terms of what messages you want to convey. So you can look at it from the perspective of the revolution of an open media science, where we are seeing more and more platforms and formats and ways of communicating your research being used and utilized by researchers.
Especially when the media are changing very radically these days. We have to build new institutions, a new way, and we have to invest more in communication. We have to invest more in trust-building activities, which shows the background for why people should trust these institutions.
Science is feeding into public debate as a sort of central organizing feature of modern liberal democracies. How are the sciences, in all breadth, from natural sciences in the one end to social and human sciences in the other end, I think they play a very important and often overlooked role as informators of the level of knowledge of public discourse, public debate.
So all that knowledge being in the house at the fantastic Carlsberg laboratory for 2 days have given us a lot of input and ideas about how actually to move into an unknown future context with the idea that we can both enhance and protect the current system while also opening up for new models, new ways of delivering science.